Alright, this is what happens right before redneck dies. Welcome to the channel, SteveCurrington.com. If you're new, I'm Lambro Steve. We're out here with Jordan, and this is called, this is called the lawnmower races. Now, I was recording my iPhone. I'll try to throw some of that footage up here, but we're out of breath because we're running the pit crew right now. All right, here comes the low-budget pit crew car. This thing, this is the pit car. Now guys, this is low budget. When you're racing lawnmowers, you don't really have the kind of cash like the Penske guys have. You know, maybe you have a Mazda that's got the bumper coming off. Maybe this thing's been jumped a few times.
Yeah, we're getting there.
Dude, you could probably jump start this. Oh yeah, you're just rubbing right through those gears, huh? Is it in neutral? I don't think it's in neutral.
There's no neutral.
How's it gonna roll?
We're gonna pull start it.
You just film.
I failed the test?
You just film.
Oh, just film, he said. Just film. This is gonna be fun. It's just dragging. He got caught in the thing.
Hey, don't say oh no. Say hey, let's go.
They say, oh yeah. Well, so much for that toe strap. Just ruined.
Dude, tie me back up. We had her going.
Had it going. We're good. Oh
We
my
don't
God.
have a rope now.
You just have to hold it.
Flip it the opposite way now. I need the other opposite end.
No, just hold it with your hand.
Wrap that around it a couple times and let it fly off.
Yeah, that's what you got to do. Here, let me fix your seat. Hold on. Hey, let me go. Hey, let me go get fuel. You want me to go get some fuel?
Hang on, dude.
Are we low on fuel?
No, I don't know. We're good.
It keeps acting. No, don't do that. Just like this. Let me show you.
Because it'll tighten up.
Yeah.
Hey, this is, remember guys, we'll hold my bear and watch
Like
this.
that. Now, when
That's
you
what you hear right before a redneck dies.
It should go.
Oh, he got it started though.
Yeah, we started at once. We got a little gas.
Little gas.
We got
Here we go.
Gas in the tank.
Yeah!
Gas, gas. Put it in there. Oh, fuck.
I didn't get on the pit crew for nothing.
What gear are you in? Put
We
it
need-
all the way over that way.
We need to go about 50 for
Yeah, right there. That's where you need to be.
I think we need to go about 50 for this to work. So, hey Jordan, if something happens to you, I'll take care of the McLaren for you.
All right.
Yeah! Shoot some flames! Here it goes, boys and girls. He's unhooked. Hold on.
Keep coming. Reverse, reverse, reverse.
Hey, reverse.
Reverse, reverse, reverse. Keep going, dude. Don't give up now. All right, stop.
That was like a power slide.
Get in. Get in.
Oh, God. Hey, I want to film from outside the car. How do I get in?
Climb in. Duke's a hazard. No, Duke's a hazard. It.
God dang.
Here, let me get you. Let me get.
You gotta go.
Oh, that's glass.
You gotta go down the front, right in front of Walmart, and just do that drive.
Where?
Walmart.
I'll never be able to get out of here.
Just drag Walmart back and forth right out of the
Oh my God. This is not for fat guys. Oh God. Okay, here we go. We gotta put our damn seatbelt on. Oh God. Oh my God. Now this right here.
Hang on, over there.
Oh my God. Yeah. Oh my God, dude. Oh, please God, no. Oh dear God, my foot. I nailed my head on the. Whew. Oh my God! Help! Why did I agree to this? Help me! Oh my God! This is what happens right before a redneck dies. Oh my God!
I don't think you can jump that
Oh.
back there.
No, we're good.
Let's get it.
No, we're good.
Come on, you make the Facebook.
Oh no. Okay, Lambros, I made it back into my car. Somehow I didn't die, but God, you probably couldn't tell, but I mean the camera was bouncing around, but Jesus H, we jumped some little ramp. I don't even know. It's like that Mazda was just falling apart. I have dirt all in. I lost my phone down in that car. I could barely get in. The door was busted. Jeez, that's crazy. I got dirt all in my mouth. I mean, oh my God. Woo, I thought he was about to kill me. So anyway, we're going to B-dubs and we'll see you guys later. Lambros, okay, here we are after almost dying in the Mazda. I wanted to give everybody like just a quick run through of what this car actually looks like. I mean, obviously Jordan's been jumping this thing and banging around. I mean, the doors don't even open. Obviously you saw my fat butt getting in it. I mean, it's a beater, okay? It's just sitting out here but it runs, right? It runs. Exhaust is laying on the ground, dual exhaust, right? But it runs. So this is what this doesn't look like much because this doesn't look like much, but when you hit it at about 35 miles an hour or however fast we were going, it's a lot. I mean, I think, oh look, the panties flew out the back. That's how much that thing was bouncing around. So we hit there and we had to land like, yeah, that sock was in the trunk. Oh, here's some mail. Tulsa Federal Credit Union mail that was in the back of it. There's a, I don't know what the crap this is, But I think next is that hump. That's what we're gonna do next. But look at this thing. It is tore up. But make sure you like the video, drop a like, a comment, subscribe, turn on notifications, all that stuff that you have to do. And then hopefully we'll be back soon with him jumping another hill.